Sanibona bafethu uvanelo. So igame elandelayo Orlando Pirates iyodlala against Mamelodi Sundowns. Kuzobe kuyigame ebaluleke kakhulu le for Orlando Pirates ngoba bafuna ukubuyela kuma winning ways mase beyodlala ileague. Le game ke le bafethu akusiyona igame ye league, kuzobe kuyigame ye-MTN semi final. First leg semi final isold out igame, asephumile ama-tickets second leg ayodlalwa le Lucas Morape ehamba nyothenga ama-tickets bafethu iyobidlalwa le igame eAsheville. So abantu kumele baphume obuningi bayo-supporta ama-team omabili njengoba yobidlala le. But ke ngizokhuluma le game le iOrlando Pirates versus Sundowns. Ngizoshaya ilana prediction yami mase ngithola ithuba nayi lineup engayisetha. Wena ungangitshela eyakho kuma comments, but ke nayi lineup uVane Sports angayisetha mase thola ithuba. Ungayixeki but ngitshele, yabo. Abantu abaningi ngiyazi, abantu abaningi bazoyixela le lineup le. Ngiyazi. But ke ngifuna ungitshele yakho kuma comments ungitshele ukuthi why le yami ngeyisebenzi. First and foremost ngizoqala goalkeeper. I know goalkeeper wafethu ubuya be nawo ama mistakes, but ke bafethu Sipho Chain is our number 1 goalkeeper last season, goalkeeper of the season. Umjida bafethu akusiyena umuntu nje ungamthatha kancane. So Sipho Chain he tends to excel when you play against Mamelodi Sundowns. Umjida impela uba yileso sithenjwa esisidingayo uma sidlala iSundowns. So umjida ngamqalisa emuva vethu abe last line of defense. Mase kuthi ama center backs sami ngizodlalisa ama center backs awu3. So dlalisa ama center backs awu3 bafethu ngiyazi abantu abaningi abathanda ukuyizwa le. But the last time we played the Mamelodi Sundowns, we played them lepe FNB. Ngosikhathi sidlala nabo sadlala FNB, sadlalisa ama center backs amathathu. Kwakhona abaningi kwakhona uSibisi, uMbokazi, mase kuba uThapelo Xoki. Babeqine impela bajida. Right now uSibisi ulimele. We don't have a center back. We signed a new center back from ETS Galaxy, Umchita Lebo CM. Yabo. We don't really know a lot about Lebo CM, but I know he's a good player. I saw him playing last game. Many people criticized him. Umchita agana ama passes are right, but Umchita was a defender for me. Yabo was a defender. So I see Orlando Pirates imdlalisa against Mamelodi Sundowns. So emuva I think u3 at the back wona 3 lo singawudlalisa. For me wona 3 lo ngawudlalisa ngamfaka uThapelo Xoki because we need more manpower lapha emuva. We need abantu abazosisiza lapha emuva, sidinga abantu abaqinile bazokhahlela ama forwards eMamelodi Sundowns. Aso adinga nje ama defenders anteketeke. Asikwazi ukudlalisa uSiyema benombokazi bawu2. We need a third center back on experience. Simdinga umuntu one experience lapha. Thapelo Xoki usedlalile kuOrlando Pirates. I know umjida ubuya be nawo ama mistakes, but the last time we played against the Sundowns he redeemed himself. So umjida ngiyamthemba kakhulu. Ungangitshela wena ama center backs Orlando Pirates ungayiset up kanjani, but for me i3 at the back is the perfect formation for Orlando Pirates because judging by the things ezenzakala right now, sinama mistakes amaningi right now. So 3 at the back for me, I think it's the perfect choice. Ungangitshela kodwa wena kuma comments. Mase ukuthi ngima wing backs bafethu kuOrlando Pirates. I don't wanna talk a lot. I saw the guy, yabo, mbonile bafethu Van Rooyen ejima uthi Orlando Pirates ikhiphe ithombe abajida bejima. So I saw Van Rooyen ejima uthi team umjida ubuyile, so we might see Van Rooyen starting against the Mamelodi Sundowns. Maybe they were keeping Van Rooyen mhlambe, yabo, they were skeptical ukuthi umjida ngenzeka alimali kulama games amabili edlula kona, but ke umjida ngenzeka abe featured kule game esoyidlala against Mamelodi Sundowns because simbone ejima uthi Orlando Pirates. Mase kuthi ku left wing back wafethu ungadlalisa bani, ngadlalisa uDion Hot. Labajida lama wing backs eOrlando Pirates iyothi into engiwathandela yona ukuthi ayakwazi ukubuya emuva, ayakwazi ukuthi uya phambili. Ayakwazi ukubuya emuva, ayakwazi ukuya phambili. That is how Orlando Pirates idlala khona. Yabo, maybe phambili labajida laba abawu3 abasele bazokwazi ukuthi babalance lapha emuva, bakwazi ukukhipha uSipho Chain safe. Bakwazi labajida abawu3. Ngeke ngazi ngoLebo CM kakhulu. I think Van Rooyen komelo athi ukubuya uVan Rooyen phezulu athi uzomsiza uLebo CM because I don't really trust the guy, but ke I trust ukuthi uzophula up ama socks nje basodlala against iMamelodi Sundowns because this is a big team. So iyona ke 5 at the back. Mina nje ngaqala nje 5 at the back. 5 at the back. Sundowns phela kusiyona team ongayithisa kancane. Going pound for pound with the Sundowns, leyo nto ngakwenza ulose ama goals. Ngakwenza nje ulose ama goals. I'm judging iSundowns ngama recent matches esibe nawo. The last time Orlando Pirates iyafuna ukuya pound for pound with Mamelodi Sundowns sashaya ngo4-1. Uma ikhumbula leyo game saya pound for pound. You don't go pound for pound with the Sundowns. Awuyizeli ngobuso. Kumele uyihloniphe because team ekwazi ukushaya uma wenza ama mistakes. Eswini I know abantu abaningi bazongixayeka funa khona, but ke mina ke ngithanda ukwenza i-lineup yami ngendlela yami. Esiswini bafethu, we don't need abadlali aba-creative kakhulu first half. First half we need to kick iMamelodi Sundowns. Kumele siyikhahlele ngempela iSundowns, abadlali bayo baze babe frustrated. I like abadlali beSundowns because they are kind of those players or abathanda ukuphatha ibhola. So mebe phethe ibhola kakhulu, mebe lokhu bekhahlelwa, mebe lokhu beteclisha, bayathanda ukuba frustrated because bayathanda ukuphatha ibhola enyaweni. Bayathanda ukuphatha ibhola enyaweni. iSundowns i-team okwazi ukuyishaya kakhulu nge-mid block. So mwase uqinisa kakhulu esiswini sakho, ilapho khona ukwazi khona ukuyibulala iMamelodi Sundowns. We saw when they played against ETS Galaxy bahlula. We saw when they played against the Chippa United, the recent game when they played against the Chippa United, they were very good kwi-midfield. So kwi-midfield mase ngidlalise uTalente Mbasa benoSihle Nduli. Those guys are too strong. When you are going against i-team enjenge-Mamelodi Sundowns, enabadlali aba-creative esiswini, enabadlali abaqinile nayo esiswini, Orlando Pirates, I think singakwazi ukuthi bafethu siyimatch with le lineup lesiswini. uSihle Nduli benoTalente Mbasa, maybe uMbokazi uzokhuphuka uyozama ukusiza futhi naye mekuba khona inkinga abuya drop futhi, yabo. But nje i-midfield yami, we don't really need ama-creative players in the first half, yabo. Ngathi ama-creative players ngawafaka mhlambe igame isila ko-50, swafake ama-creative players lapho khona ama-defenders eMamelodi Sundowns asethe ukuba weak kancane. But-ke so far ungangitshela ukuthi how do you feel about this lineup? But mina ngokwami, I think these guys are going to destroy Mamelodi Sundowns so far. Mase kuthi ka-right wing, yes, I know abantu abaningi bazongiquestiona bathi Vano umfaka kanjani uSibelebele usathole i-game time encane ku-Orlando Pirates so far. Why do you feature him against iMamelodi Sundowns? Look, iMamelodi Sundowns yenze homework ngokusuna police. iMamelodi Sundowns yenze homework ngoRelebohile Mofokeng. They know those guys. They know how they play. Badlala ndawonye kuyiBafana. So playing a guy like Sibelebele is a creative player. I saw him playing for Orlando Pirates the last game. He was creative. He was more creative than Umoremi, than the guy who started the game. So he created more chances than Umoremi. So I see this guy starting against Mamelodi Sundowns. Umchida snikeza something ayiqala game masekuthi second half. We might see Orlando Pirates introduce Osuna Police, but for me, I think Sibelebele must start this game. He's not starting because it's better than Osuna Police. He's starting because Sundowns, I don't think iyenzile information eningayi, and futhi naye Umjida unayo experience, uyakwazi ukudlala Umjida, yabo. But-ke ungangitshela wena ungamqalisa Osuna Police noma ungaqalisa omunye umdlali. But for me, I think uSibelebele must start that game mase sithola umdlali o-creative azoshintsha ngaye, yabo. Njengomdlali onjenge Osuna Police uyi-match winner, ngakuwinela igame masumfaka second half ama-defenders eMamelodi Sundowns esekhathele. So Sibelebele, for me, I think he should start against iMamelodi Sundowns. Ungangitshela ama-comments, do you think the guy should start or not? Mase kuthi ka left bafethu, even though abantu abaningi bangasho ukuthi yes naye nje uMofokeng bafethu iSundowns isimjwayele wawumqalisa Vani. Yes, uMofokeng bafethu is that kind of player. For me uMofokeng kumele ayiqale le game le, cause uMofokeng right now experience kakhulu, usene experience kakhulu kuLorlando Pirates, useyazi ukuthi yini amele ayenze Umjida. For me kumele ayiqale le game soyidlala neMamelodi Sundowns. Mubheka la anginayo creative player, anginayo unumber 10. Number 10 ngamenza uMofokeng abu number 10 akwazi ukudrifta la, adlale phambi kwaSihle Nduli benoTalente Mbasa. Mase kuthi uSibelebele ayo add ama-numbers phambili, adlale as a forward with another striker lapha. So kube ubani, kube 5-2-1-2, yabo. But-ke uMofokeng ngifuna adrifta eka left kakhulu, mase bona ukuthi khona pressure adrop angene phakathi, kukhuphuke bani, kukhuphuke uDion Hotto ngala ka left. Mase kuthi uVan Rooyen mekhuphuke uSibelebele angene la phambili at ama-numbers with umdlali engizomdlalisa as a striker. Mase ukuthi striker engizoqalisa phambili, ngizoqalisa bani, ngizoqalisa uMakgopa bafethu isona striker for me engasiqalisa. Umjida uyakwazi ukupress ama-defender, Umjida uyakwazi ukufaka i-pressure phambili. Njengoba ngisho nje uVan Rooyen mekhuphuke phezulu, uSibelebele uzokhuphuka ayo-eda phambili abe striker with ubani lo Mjida lo Makgopa. Mase ukuthi mekhuphuka uDion Hotto ngala, uMofokeng adlale as number 10. Umjida uyakwazi ukudlala as number 10. Khumbulani bafethu useka wadlala vele uMofokeng before as number 10 for Orlando Pirates, so he's familiar with that position. So for me, this is the lineup against the Mamelodi Sundowns. We don't need ama-creative players amaningi. Maybe second half, if you see it to Mamelodi Sundowns isiba weak, introduce the creative players abanjengosihle Nduli, abanjengosipho Mbule, abanjengotito Maswangayi, yabo. Introduce abo Osuna Police second half. Those are the game changing players. Ibona abadlali abazoshintshela igame le, bona abadlali abazokuwinela igame. But so far Sundowns kumele siye pound for pound nayo kwi first half, because mase sishintsha sifaka labadlali abasekhe enough ngeke sikwazi kuyiwina igame, uzofana nothi sizoyi defend.